Hey guys, Lightning Dave here. This one I have no clue. I have the fire truck. I have the Clearwater Fire Rescue. Across the street, he turned around. And if I look back, down there where that gentleman is, there's a fireman inside. But I have no clue. It didn't come across the scanner that I heard. So, needless to say, figured I'd shoot some cherries this time. Only cherries. And the guy across the street seems very interested in what I'm doing. That's fine. In the shade here, but it is a little bit windy. So, but I don't know if anything will come to this, but we'll hang out for a little bit, try to find out what is going on. I mean, the door that was open is now closed. So, to me, these are the real heroes. They're firemen. They run into the fire. And policemen sit there, get behind cars, and shoot at people that are driving past. And then say, "Oh, he swerved at me. I was afraid of my life." But these guys are the real thing to me. Other people might think different, but it's all how you look at things. So I saw it and got lucky enough. There was a parking spot closed. They got that door open again down there. But I have no clue what's going on still. But the District 45 guy that's across the street, he was on this side as I was pulling up about a block away, and he swung around and took a spot that would have been perfect for me to pull in, and hell, I could have sat in the car. Now I believe down at the corner we have a ladder, a hook and ladder. First one's from 45. I don't know if the hook and ladder is from 45 too, but we'll find out. Yes, he's from Engine Company 45. So, not quite sure what's going on. He's just going around the thing. And those are pretty cool trucks. The guy actually has to sit in the back to steer the rear wheels. Which, with the amount of circles and stuff like that that they put into the streets, come in very handy. Move my glasses so I can even see the screen. So, like I said, I'm not quite sure what's going on. fireman across the street's giving directions to somebody, or if it's something more than that. Doesn't seem like it's undercover or anything, because it looks like a female in the passenger seat. I think they're just getting directions with the way he's doing his hand movements. So, like I said, there's not a lot going on. But in Clearwater, it seems if I'm at one end of the town, everything's happening at the other end. If I go to the other end, it happens right where I left. So, when I see them, I get them. So we're 6 minutes into this. It doesn't seem like anything's that major, because that guy's just standing over there with the rear tailgate up. So I'm gonna call it. You guys have a great day. Be safe. Know your rights. And everybody, tell their mother, Happy Mother's Day tomorrow. This is Lightning Dave. I'm out of here. Oh, one other thing. I made a comment the other day when I was very pissed off. And that's not the way I am. That was not true to my form. And it was in reference to what Johnny 50 says. So I'd like to apologize for that.